Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. Asian Games Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Subhash Chandra Bose Kolkata Mint UNC condition 100. 95 Noida 5 rupees case coin only for 200. Jawaharlal Nehru Kolkata Mint English legend UNC 200. Hindi legend Kolkata Mint 100. And I have this one set of Mumbai coin, and in that this 98 fat lion also there. Okay, this fat lion only sells for around 400 to 500. So this is all from, I'll tell you, from 92 to 2004. Okay, with this fat lion. This is for only 1200 rupees set. Okay, if you want to take this single one, then it is 500 rupees. 98 fat lion. But whole set is 1200. It will be cheaper if you buy whole set. I'll just show you all. UNC2 BUNC type of condition. This is from the packet. Jawaharlal Nehru Mumbai Mint English legend 200. Hindi legend 100. 96 Noida UNC 200. 98 Noida 100. 25th anniversary 50 paise Kolkata Mint UNC 200. 82 Kolkata Dabbu coin BU condition 200. This is a Bolu Mumbai Mint BU condition 200 rupees. This is Noida UNC condition 300. It becomes 500, but if you take a set, then it is 400 rupees set. ICDS Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Commonwealth Games BU condition Hyderabad Mint 200. Plant Family Mumbai Mint BU condition 200. Kolkata Mint BU condition 200. World Food Day Mumbai UNC condition 200. Sant Tukaram Mumbai UNC condition 200. Grow More Food Mumbai UNC 200. Food and Work Mumbai 5 paise UNC condition for 300. Supreme Court Noida UNC 300. Arbindo Kolkata Mint UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 300. Youth Year Kolkata Mint UNC condition with clear lion variety only for 500. Tamil Conference AUNC condition Mumbai Mint 300. Dr. Ambedkar Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 400. Sant Daneshwar Kolkata Mint UNC condition 300. Commonwealth Games Noida Mint BU condition 200. 2002 UNC condition, very scarce coin Noida Mint only for 200. Water for Life Kolkata Mint UNC 200. Food and Environment Mumbai Mint BU condition 400. Security Edge variety, this is Care for Girl Child Mumbai Mint 600. Rainfed Farming, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. This is for 300. Santat Tukaram, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition. Very scarce coin, 300. ICDS, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, for 600. Care for Girl Child, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. This is reeded edge variety. This is for 300. Ekam, Hyderabad Mint, 21. Rare coin, BU condition, 500. 5 paise, 1966 Mumbai Mint. This is AUNC condition, rare coin, only for 400. See the luster. BU condition, biodiversity, very scarce coin, 400 Mumbai Mint. This is AUNC condition. Actually this is UNC condition only. You can see small black dot is there. So giving it as a AUNC, 200. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, UNC, 400. Sir Aurobindo, Noida Mint, BU condition, 400. Aurobindo Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. Rainfed Farming, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin. This is for 400. Supreme Court, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Half rupees, 1956, Kolkata Mint, 200. Quarter rupee, 54, Kolkata Mint, 200. 59, Mumbai Mint, 200. 57, Kolkata Mint, first 25 paise, 300. 57 Mumbai Mint, this is also first 25 paise, 300 rupees. Very scarce coins. 94 Noida Mint, this is a rare lion variety, 500. 94, like that only, that normal B lion sells for 300 to 400. This is a A lion variety, more rare. Aurobindo Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, UNC, Kolkata Mint, very scarce coin, only for 500. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Kolkata Mint, UNC, 300. 50 years independence, Kolkata Mint, UNC to gem condition, only for 400. Forestry, Hyderabad, UNC condition, 900. Small Farmers, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Actually I don't use the gem type of condition and all, I don't say. I only say UNC, AUNC, BUNC and extra fine, very fine, fine. I don't use gem. So when I write UNC, it is like, you must think that is not like I am not writing gem and all. So this is a UNC condition, 300. Supreme Court, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 400. Tamil Conference, UNC, Noida Mint, 400. Small Farmers, Hyderabad Mint, UNC, 400. Dadabhai Naoroji, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 400. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, extra fine condition, very scarce coin, 400. Mother's Health, Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition, this is also 400. But if you take a set, This is for 600. Okay, sorry, 700. You can take 100 rupees less. World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 600. Food and Environment, Noida Mint, GEM UNC. Actually I just wrote like that once, but I thought like I should not write. Mine will be only BUNC, UNC, AUNC and extra fine. 700 rupees. Youth Year, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 600. United Nations, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 700. World Food Day, Kolkata Mint, UNC, rare coin, only for 900. This is one set is there. 1928 Kolkata Mint, 1927 Mumbai Mint, 1925 Kolkata Mint. Sorry, 1 second, sorry. 1919 Kolkata Mint. 4 coins are there. I'll show you again. 1919 Kolkata Mint, 2 Anna. 1925 Kolkata Mint. 1927 Mumbai Mint. 1928 Kolkata Mint. All this is 2 Annas. Only for 1200 rupees. All this for 1200 rupees. Other this single coins, each coin some are 500, some are 600 selling. But these with the set only for 1200 rupees. For only for today. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Noida Mint, AUNC plus condition, only for 1200. See the condition with the luster. See the proper mint mark. See the luster and legends, everything is clear. Only for 1200 rupees. Rare coin, K. Kamaraj, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, only for 400. Forestry, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 900. ILO, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 500. ILO, Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition, 500. This comes total 1000 rupees, but you will get it for 800 rupees set. If you take a set, it will be 800 rupees. Otherwise, you 500 rupees each. Parliamentary UNC condition, 1993, only for 800 rupees. Food for Future, Kolkata Mint. See the everything is clear. It has a face print also. It's a UNC condition. Only for 1000 rupees. Tamil Conference, Mumbai Mint, single mint coin. This is UNC condition. See the luster, very scarce coin. Only for 800 rupees. Food for Future, Hyderabad Mint. This is a BU condition. See the face print, very scarce coin. This is for only 1000 rupees. 1962 Kolkata Mint, UNC plus, because it's almost like BU type condition. That's why I didn't write BU but UNC plus condition I wrote. 1962 Kolkata Mint, only for 1600 rupees. Otherwise I have to use a new term. Almost BUNC. Subhash Chandra Bose, BU condition, 800 rupees with the ghost image. You can see the full ghost image is there. There you can see full face is there. This is a very scarce coin with the ghost image. It makes more rarer. Only for 800 rupees. Small Farmers, Kolkata Mint UNC condition. Rare coin only for 1000 rupees. Today I put everything in the low rate. 1988 Noida Mint AUNC condition. Rare coin. See the mint mark, clear mint mark. And this is the lion also clear with the luster. This is only for 2200. This is the lion comes in 1988 Noida Mint. You must never buy with other lion. Any other lion comes, they don't come in other lion, only this lion it comes. So you must understand which lion comes in the 88, because many people selling as 88 Mumbai Mint as a Noida Mint. And I have this set, Sant Dhyaneshwar Noida Mint and Sant Dhyaneshwar Kolkata Mint. This set is only for 400 rupees. So I'll give it for 300 for today. This set is for 300 rupees. Very scarce set. And this is another lion varieties I have. 1970 Mumbai Mint BUNC set this is. You see here. Big lion here, and this is a small lion. This is a rare set only for 500 rupees. 1970 Mumbai Mint. And there is one other lion variety set is there. CD Das Noida Mint condition, you can see UNC condition. B lion and the C lion only for 800 rupees. Lion variety set. And this is 93 Parliamentary. This also lion set. You can see the lion, different lion. This is for 500 rupees. The last I have this 50 paise. 1969 B to 300. 1963 B 200. 1961 C 200. 1961 B 200. 1962 B 200. 62 C 200. This is extra fine, but this is a rare coin, you don't get so easily. 1960 Kolkata extra fine 200. This is also rare. 1968 Kolkata 300. 1968 Mumbai 300. 71 Kolkata 100. 67 Mumbai 300. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.